Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Projects. In this video, I am show you how to push your Visual Studio Code project or HTML, CSS, Java project or any kind of project which you created in Visual Studio Code to GitHub. In this video, you will completely learn how to push any project from Visual Studio Code to GitHub repository. So now let's start. Now before pushing, first I want to show you which project I am going to push on GitHub. So you can see here in this folder my all HTML, CSS and JavaScript projects, and this is the project name of Google. So I open it and you can see this is the Google logo and I am going to push this on GitHub repository. So for this, simply first I close this. So first of all, for pushing any project to GitHub, first open your Visual Studio Code. Now, as you know, the project which are created in Visual Studio Code are mostly contain many files, like some contain HTML file, CSS file, JavaScript file, and the project is one and the file are many. So first of all, you have to open all the file which are related to your project. So in my Google logo, there is one HTML file and one CSS file. So simply first I open both of the files. So I click on file and now click on open and now I open the file. And you can see here I use the logo as.css file, so I also open the logo.css file. Now both the files are getting open. Now be remember one thing always. For pushing any project to GitHub from Visual Studio Code, you must have to place all the related file into one folder. So I will show you how to do this. You can see my Google logo contain how many files? 2 files. One is HTML, one is CSS. By opening the files, now I know what is the name of the files and now I can easily place both the files in one folder. So as you know, now one file is google.html and one file is logo.css. So simply come to desktop and create a new folder. I simply create a new folder, give any name according to your project. I give it Google logo. Now simply copy the both files which are related to your project. So first I want to say why I open both the files in Visual Studio Code. So I open that files only in Visual Studio Code to see the names of the file, because we have lots of files so we don't get remember the name. So it is better to open that file in VS Code first and then after create a new folder and then copy all the files in a single folder. So as you know, my Google folder contains 2 files, so I simply copy that both of the files and now paste it here. Now after paste, open your Visual Studio Code again. After opening Visual Studio Code, click on file option and now click on open folder and select your folder from here. And you can see now the folder is get open successfully. And here you can see your folder name. My folder name is Google logo and this is the HTML file and this is the CSS file. So now you can see it is very good. My all file related to one project now in one place, and or we can say in one folder. Now we have to simply push this folder to GitHub repository. So for this, you must have GitHub account. If you don't have GitHub account, then I give a link of video in I button how to make a GitHub account or how to install Git into your PC or laptop. So after doing both of these things, installing Git or creating GitHub account, open your GitHub account in any browser. You can see my account is already open. Now click on here and click on your repository. Simply click on new. Now give any repository name. I give it Google logo. Now give any description about your project. It is not compulsory to give description. Now simply click on create repository. Now simply click on the top of the search bar and copy this URL. By the help of this URL, we pushed our folder to GitHub repository. So simply copy this. Now open your Visual Studio Code again. Now simply click on version control icon. You can see, be remember this icon, simply click on it. Now click on initialize repository. Simply give any commit message. I give it first commit. Now press Ctrl plus enter, not enter. Be remember Ctrl plus enter. After pressing Ctrl plus enter, click on yes. Now you can see it start committing. Now simply click on 3 dot icon and now click on push to GitHub. And below you can see it said to add remote. So simply click on add remote and paste the URL here. So I simply paste my GitHub repo URL. Now press enter. Now give any remote name. I give it my name. So I type Brijesh. Now press enter. Now you can see version control pushing start. Now again click on here and click on again push to GitHub. Now you can see before we paste the URL, so it automatically fetches the URL. Now simply select this URL and press enter. Now if you pushed first time, it say to log in with your GitHub account, so simply fill your username or password. So I simply fill username and password. Now simply click on login, and now our project is pushed successfully. Simply open your browser, and when I refresh my page, you can see my all code come here, and this is the HTML file and this is the CSS file. So hopefully guys, you understand everything, how to push any project to GitHub. So be remember one thing, always place your all files related to one project in one folder and then simply push it. So if there is any query, comment down below. Thank you.